Yo, 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 yo. Hey, how you feeling, y'all? How you feeling? How you feeling, y'all? How you feeling? I'm like LOL, feeling yellow, hello. LOL, I'm feeling yellow, hello. Damn, I don't think I can make you understand. I can't. Now I got a phone in my hand, and as you can't see my face, better express myself in this cyberspace. What are you saying to me this for, man? Are you on the can? That's kinda gross, yo, TMI, man. Are you just being random? How does that make sense? Whoa, the situation just got kinda tense. I'm like, LOL, I'm feeling yellow, hello. LOL, I'm feeling yellow, hello. Kittens and puppies, we all like that. I'm gonna try to distract you with a little top hat. And now that I've got y'all super confused, the situation is officially diffused. Hey, wait, are you reading on me? So you ain't even trying to keep this low key? Sending that smirk, yeah, I know what's up. Whatever this is, we should wrap it up. I'm like, LOL, I'm like, LOL, feeling yellow, hello. LOL, feeling yellow, hello. I'm like, LOL, feeling yellow, hello. LOL, I'm feeling yellow, hello. How you feeling, y'all? How you feeling? How you feeling, y'all? How you feeling? LOL, feeling yellow, hello. LOL, I'm feeling yellow, hello. How you feeling? How y'all feeling?
What the hell did he mean? Fucking eggplant.
Angel, you ain't no angel. The heck is a millennial?
Ooh.